Zayd bin Wahab Johani states that he was included in that detachment which went to fight with Khawarij in the command of Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, O people, I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, a people will emerge from Ummah which will recite the Quran in such a way that your recitation in your own view will be of no significance as compared to their recitation. Your performing prayer will be of no significance as compared to their performing prayer. Your fasting will be of no significance as compared to their fasting. They will recite the Quran considering it advantageous for them, but it will be in fact deleterious to them. The prayer will not pass their throats, and they will exit Islam as an arrow goes out from a game. If the detachment which is going to extirpate them knows its reward which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has promised through their Prophet's tongue, it will rely on it, forsaking all other deeds. Their sign is that they include a man who has got no shoulder bone of one arm, and his shoulder tip is like a woman's breast, having white hair on it. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, You proceed to Muawiyah and the Syrian, leaving them to harm your progeny and property. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I expect it is the very people which unjustifiably shed the blood and pledged the people's meadows. You should set out to fight with them in Allah's name. Salama bin Kohel says, Zayd bin Wahab then mentioned each stage to me and narrated. When we confronted them, we happened to pass over a bridge. That day, Abdullah bin Wahab Rasibi was the commander of the Khawarij. He passed orders through the lances and draw out the swords of the scabbards, for I fear that will make an assault on you as they did on the day of Horora. So they threw their lances and draw their swords. The people attacked them with their lances, and some of them started killing some others of them. That day only 2 men got martyred from Hazrat Ali's troops. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, Find out the defective man of them. He was looked for but could not found. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu himself got up and went there where their corpses were lying in heaps. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, Pick up these corpses. So they found him clung to the earth. Hazrat Ali whereupon said, Allah is the greatest. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu spoke the truth, and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam conveyed us right things. Ubaidah Salmani got up and said, By him saves who there is no worthy of worship. Have you yourself heard these hadiths from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, Yes, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu saves whom there is no worthy of worship. He took an oath thrice from Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu, and Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu swore by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu thrice. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2464.